What up, YouTube? Matt from over here with another YouTube video. Today we taking on the Texans for week 4. We are currently 1-2.
Oh, they gave us Cameron. We can use him. That's a good face. They offering us Ed Oliver. We do need a defense. We need defense lineman point blank period. We could use a defense tackle, but we do need that Simmons. You gotta think about it. Just got to. Let's go. Plus 0.5 overall for the next 3 games. That's good. Ooh, they trying to, well, we can't even afford him, but they try to give us AJ Brown. And we already got 3 star receivers. So we really don't need to move him. So even if I could, I don't think I would get him. Take a look at the defense. Remember, we signed Fred Warner. Forrest Miller. It's about time for you to get out. It ain't getting encouraged. See if he can make some plays. If he can take the starting role. We got Cameron Curl. I didn't even know that. That's crazy. He's faster than Mr. Adderley. And his coverage is way better. Coverage. When did we get him? He must came in as a free agent. The coverage stats for this. Asante Samuel, his coverage way better than Mr. Adderley. It's like Mr. Adderley has been replaced. We don't have a starting role. We got Joey Bosa and Khalil Mack as our outside line rushers. We got Bryce Callahan and J.C. Jackson on the outside. We got Gilliman as our slot cornerback / safety. We got Derwin James as the strong safety. They're signing with DeAndre Hopkins finally paying off. DeAndre Hopkins is our number 1 wide receiver. We got Mike Williams as the number 2. They are 2 deep ball. We got Keenan Allen as the slot. He's a deep ball elite too, but he's a good route runner. Like all these people, they all good at everything. But Keenan Allen is just a little bit slower than him. So I'm put him on the inside. We got Joshua Kelly. Remember, we traded Austin Eckler for Fred Warner to the 49ers. We got Justin Herbert leading the offense. We got Donald Parham, 6'8" tight end. He should be good for deep balls. And for our line, we got Rashad Slater with a 78 overall. We got Matt Feller. We got Corey Lindsey. We got Chris Lindstrom. We got Storm Norton. We need a new outside tackle. Once we get that, our whole team will be complete. Let's take a look at the team we're going against. For their number 1 receiver, they got Nico Collins, a 6'4" receiver. They got Brandon Cook, the best journeyman in the NFL history, in my opinion. Brandon Cook, man, is elite for everything he played for. They got the rookie that never got to play last year, John Mechie. So he probably get to go off in this game. I don't know. We don't know what he can do. They got Jordan Atkins, who has the same numbers. And it's the same reason why they lost the first overall pick, because he can catch. They got Davis Mills as their field general. They got Damian Pierce, the rookie that went off last year. No one expected him to do it. And they still got Rick Burkhead, which is a veteran. Let's take a look at their defense. They got Steven Nelson on the outside for their number 1 cornerback. They got Derek Stingley on the outside for their number 2. They got Severi Thomas on the slot, and they got Desmond King as a slot. They got Jalen Petrie, the rookie safety who started last year. Jonathan Owens as their free safety. Jerry Hughes, their best defensive player. Pass rushing stats are crazy. We don't need them to get past the 25. And they didn't make it. It's good. Okay. Stop them at 21. Come out here and 3-4. Bring out my linebackers. Y'all know me. I love to bring them out. Fred Warner, get on him. He's the user. Make that tackle. Good tackle. What it is? Darren James. Come out here and command. Bring out all my cornerbacks. J.C. Jackson, you the best. You all best. Cornerback. I'm holding my man. J.C. Jackson got bunt. Good hit. Good hit, Darren James. Come out here in 4-3. We go blitz. Khalil Mack off the edge. We go use the Joey boat. This is a run. Let's go. Good tackle. I ran right to him. Made a play. We need to try to get a pick. We need a pick. We need a pick. We need a pick. We need a pick. Everybody hold your man. Okay, that's your not. Let's go. Okay. Good play. Let's try to blitz our new safety. See if he can make a play with it. That was supposed to be a pick. Come on. Okay, forced him to punt the ball. That's good. Let's see how far we can make it on this return. But... well, we got to the 22. Farther than they made it on the kick return. They want to blitz. They want to blitz. We go find Keenan Allen. Run past everybody. Oh my God, this is a first play TD. First play TD. Let's go. I cannot believe it. First play TD. I should have just kept going. That was supposed to be a scrambling TD or a scrambling 2-point conversion.
Mike, you going crazy.
Start out of over 3. Y'all know me. Fred Warner used to go over. Get on Calvin Norris. It's like a run. Oh, it's not a run. That's surprising. Good kick. Get him out the arrow. Come out here in the same place. Yeah, he routed me up. Come out here in the same formation, different play. Okay, you covered everybody, get the stop. Let's get Joey Bosa rushing off the edge. So when you man up or press, using Khalil. Yeah, I gotta run with it. I gotta start running with it. They want to come out in the full receiver set. We're gonna bring out men. Good coverage. Oh, who left him open? It was good coverage. Come out here in my nickel formation. See 2 linebackers out. We blitzing Khalil Mack. We go blitz Joey. Fred Warner. Step up. Get the tackle. Good tackle. We gotta cover the whole field. Don't let them scramble. Good step up. Let's go. It's another mess. You must do it again. I'm ready for you to scramble. Scramble! Oh, I should have been covering. A squib kick with 9 seconds. Let's see if we Let's see if we can make something happen. Mike Williams, I trust you, and I should never trust you. You know, got to cover the whole field. Oh, they gonna kneel. Good shit. Kick me my ball. They kicked it too far. That was too far. Let's see if we can find Keenan Allen on this little corner route. We can. He's open, and he got pushed back by DB. Let's try to run. I don't need to take the run. We got to have him still in the run. Even though we traded away Austin. Let's see who get open. I see you, Austin Eckler. He's making plays. Realized I said Austin, I meant Keenan Allen. I find my tight end. They could have been a TD. You could have fell in it. Come on, Joshua Kelly, go ahead and pound the rock in. Good stuff. That's why we traded. Oh, wait. Awesome. We got to get to 2 so it can be up by 7. Keenan Allen. That looks returnable. It is returnable. Somebody get the stop. He almost got to the 25. Come out here and cover 3. Just a run. I knew it. I stepped up. We gonna blitz Derwin James. Was I? That was me? Was I supposed to cover it? Well, I guess. Joey Bosa, gotta cover it. Lock. Man, coverage did not work good sometimes, so let's see. This man turns the whole other way. Asante Samuel, you gotta lock up the tight end. Oh, he's not even running around. We'll hold the wide receiver. Run the same play again. Everything was kind of lost. Bryce Callahan, you gotta make a play. Make a play, Bryce. Let's go. Let's go. Let's see if DeAndre Hopkins can get whoever the outside DD on that double. He couldn't hang on. He could not hang on. Keenan Allen, you've been making plays. I got this.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
What? I'm gonna go for it because if I punch on the ball, they still gonna score. So I already just turn over the ball right here so they can score and I can have time back. Kind of don't believe a defensive stop. Derwin James got beat by a tight end. Geno Atkins. Come on. And that's why I went for it, so I can have a lot of time on the clock. Now I got a minute. We don't even need to have they get up a return. That was a return at full. Joshua Kelly, eat up the clock. Eat up the. We just gonna let the clock run a little bit. They thought I was looking for Keenan. Come out here in that empty. I don't even think I ran it yet. Keenan Allen. Let's go. Keep going. Keenan Allen is going off this thing. We don't need no miss.
Nope.
One double crosses. I don't think we ran this year. They should mess him up. Like that. Good stuff, DeAndre. First play. It's a little too late. Keenan Allen made the catch. Oh my God. He's unstoppable. I think he got 3 TDs this game. My lineman all in all. 7 seconds left to score. I don't know, Texans. I don't know about this one, Texans. Well, at least you at the 40. At least you at the 40. Let's bring a lineman out. That's a pick. Cameron Curl, first pick of the team. Now we just doing something. Looking for DeAndre Hopkins. I trust him. Let's go. We didn't need it. Let's go. We got our second win on the series in week 4. We played the Texans and we defeated them. Keenan Allen went off for this game. I think he had 3 TDs. If not 3, I know he had 2 for sure, but I think he had 3 TDs. Keenan Allen went off this game. The safety that we just traded for, he got to make his first play on the team. He got his pick. Bryce Callahan having an unbelievable season. He can pick after pick. We finally gave Vinny Curry a chance. I'm not sure if he took the starting role, but we're going to leave him in for another game to see if he gets to make a play or 2. He didn't get to make a play in this game. And if he did, I wasn't watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Comment down below what other teams you'd like me to reveal next. And peace.